Hello, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use 50 megapixel camera in Pro mode on Infinix Note 60 Pro. Launch your camera app and go to More. Find the Pro option, and in Pro mode we can change a lot of things before taking a photo. For example, we can change the exposure value using the slider. The default is 0. You can also change the saturation, select automatic option, adjust ISO, white balance, and see how colors change. Going to the left gives blue tones, going to the right gives orange tones. We have AF, automatic focus, and we can also change the metering mode. In the top right corner, you can change the format to full, 16:9, 4003, or 111. If you want to use the 50 megapixel mode, go to More and click on Ultra HD. Now the 50 megapixel mode is enabled, but the zoom level is locked. You can tap on the screen to get focus and change the exposure manually by sliding down or up. That's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.